Hi there, just a quick video tutorial on how to use Capture 2020 with MyDMX 3.0. Now, when I was trying to sort this myself, I was struggling to find information out there on how to do it, so hopefully you will find this helpful. So to be able to do this, you need to have the full license for MyDMX 3.0, and you also need to have the actual physical box plugged into your computer via USB. Once you've done that, you need to go to the DMX Soft store, and then you need to purchase an ArtNet universe. Now, I've only bought one universe of ArtNet because I only have one universe of DMX on my capture license. It is £80, it isn't cheap, but it enables you to use capture with MyDMX rather than having a physical controller plugged into your laptop. So once you've done that, you need to go and update your box through the SUT updater, which I'm sure you've all done many a times before. Once you've done that and you're back into your MyDMX 3.0, you need to go to Preferences and then down to Devices, and here is where you need to create a virtual device. So Capture and MyDMX works over ArtNet. So to do that, we need to click Add Virtual Device, and then you can name it whatever you want to, Capture 2020, and then you need to change all of these to 0, and the same with the bottom mask. So the IP address of the mask are set to 0, and then here is our ArtNet. We need to create a new universe, so to do that, click the plus icon here and then choose your universe 1, because I only bought one. And then this is the most important bit, which I missed a few times, was you need to click use broadcast, and this enables the software to then talk with the other software on your computer. Click OK, and then that, in theory, is it. So the way to check it is if you go over to Capture and you go to your universes, what you should find here now, as you can see, this now says ArtNet Universe. If this wasn't working, it would say automatic rather than ArtNet Universe. And obviously the easiest way to test is to go to one of your scenes, this one here, and then go back to Capture, and then here you can see the scene is playing absolutely fine. Hope you found that helpful.